Hi Lash. So I got this. Oh my god, my nails. Ooh.
The way you move your body got me feeling nice. Your waist all in my face and then I start to fantasize. I start to criticize and get to know the things you like. But love is more valuable than just what a ring could buy. I fantasize about real love.
So guys, we have been looking for this thing since. Let me show you. For the mirror, guys.
No, drop it.
Drop it. So this is it, guys. Look at my hair, bro. What? So
I think it's open. I'll probably look at it.
this look mature. I'm getting wow, this is 5K. It's fine. You like to post? I think it's nice. I don't know if you know that. This yeah, kind of. Is this one or two? So I'm taking this instead of
Oh, I need
I
you.
got this.
I need you.
And I have this one is cute. Probably called
Time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't cast, last. Now everybody go job breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo to the love.
so
Yeah, come on, pictures.
what's the one now? What's the normal day or something like So this is what I got, guys. This and this. I think the smell is so nice, so beautiful. Let me open it. See how it goes. Ooh, oh my god. So this is some fast food. Let's see how this one too looks. Find me. Okay. Oh my god. I love this. Hi guys. So I'm going for my lash extension. Yeah. I'm very sure it's going to look good on me. So this is my outfit of the day. I'll be using this Prada. Place my phone here. Okay. Not too much, yeah. Period. I don't believe I'm sleeping. I'm tired.
When you belong enough, damn, I need you right now.
So guys, I'm here from Lucky Face 1. I'm at Agungi. Because of Lash. Oh my god. I didn't bring my light. Guys, I'm done. Sorry. I got this beautiful scarf. I saw pink actually, but I'm like, no, I can't see when this picture. This is pretty. This is beautiful. So I'm going to be using this soon. I'll add it to this video. Okay, please let me watch it. So guys, that's it. I love it. So pretty.
Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe it, faith to receive it. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you.
Happy birthday to you. Yeah, clap now. So guys, I just got these chairs. Can you see it? Yeah, I got 4. Okay, this is another one here. So that's it.
You're 22, 2 at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, 2 at a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. For me to see, I'ma show you what I mean to be. Love, fuck. You're 22,